Welcome back. There's something about a kitchen at Christmas time. It just feels warmer, doesn't it? Like the air is full of quiet promises. While we wait for the oven to preheat, I want to share a quick story. Because long before the red suits and shopping lists, there was a man named Nicholas. He wasn't a celebrity. He was just a person who believed the best gifts are the ones given in secret. No applause, no credit, just warmth slipped into the night. That's exactly what we're making today. Toast pizza. It's simple, generous, and honestly, it's a small act of kindness for yourself. If you're glad to be here, hit that subscribe button and let me know your favourite holiday tradition in the comments. Your support keeps this kitchen running. Now, let's get cooking. We're keeping it simple tonight with just the essentials. Toast, sausages, bell peppers, plenty of cheese, bacon, mushrooms, and sweet corn. Nothing fancy, nothing loud, just honest ingredients, each one playing its part, like characters in an old winter tale. Just prep everything nice and easy. Slice the sausages, chop the peppers, and let those mushrooms fall naturally. Cooking, after all, is just about patience and letting things become exactly what they're meant to be. As you layer your toppings, think of places where Christmas feels a little more magical. In Iceland, kids don't wait for just one Santa. They wait for 13 Yule lads to creep down from the mountains one by one. Every night is a new surprise. Just like every topping you add here is another layer of anticipation. Now, go heavy on the cheese. Don't be shy. This is winter, the season for abundance and comfort. Slide these into the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Low and slow. We want enough heat to melt everything together without burning. It's like a good tradition. It should be softened by time, not destroyed by it. If you do, please subscribe, hit like, and chat with me in the comments. We're here with new videos every Monday and Thursday. Merry Christmas from beautiful Aberdeen. Thanks for being here.